Your car throws a warning light, jerks between gears, or won't even start, and the shop wants $200 just to diagnose it. Don't reach for your wallet yet. Most of these issues aren't broken parts. They're confused systems that just need a reset. In this video, I'll show you simple resets mechanics use every day, but rarely talk about, especially the second one. Let's learn these tricks and save about $360 per month. Reset number 15, ECU hard reset, full system reboot. Think of your car's ECU as its brain. Like a laptop, it can glitch. One day it runs fine, the next, suddenly, you get a check engine light, poor fuel economy, or limp mode. It looks serious, but usually nothing is broken, just the ECU is just stuck with bad data. Mechanics know this and still charge $150 for a reset, while you can do it yourself. Here is how. Turn the car off, disconnect the battery, touch the cables together for 10 seconds, wait 15 minutes, reconnect, and let the car idle for 15 minutes. This clears ghost codes, restores throttle response, and can make the car feel new again. If it still idles rough, the issue isn't the ECU, it's airflow. Reset number 14, idle air control reset. You stop at a light and the car shakes, or one day it idles fine and the next it almost stalls. That's usually the idle air control system being out of tune. Your ECU controls airflow, but after a battery disconnect, throttle body cleaning, or bad data, it can lose its baseline. The result? Rough idle, random stalls, or wasted fuel. Mechanics call this a deep diagnostic, but most of the time it just needs a reset. Start the car, let it warm up, put it in park, and idle for 5 minutes. Then turn on headlights and ACC to add load and idle 2 more minutes. Don't touch the gas. Done right, the idle smooths out. If the warning light stays on, the next reset gives direct access to the car's brain. Reset number 13, OBD2 scanner refresh. That glowing check engine light doesn't always mean disaster. Often, it's just a stored code from a one-time hiccup like a loose gas cap or temporary sensor glitch. The light stays on until it's cleared, which mechanics love charging $100 plus for diagnostics. The truth? You can do it at home with a $20 OBD2 scanner. Plug it in under the dash, turn the key to on, read the codes, and note them. Then select Clear Codes, and the light disappears in seconds. Pro tip, if it comes back, there's still an active problem. Sometimes the issue isn't the engine at all. It could be your screen, Bluetooth, or navigation acting up. That's when the next reset comes in. Reset number 12, Infotainment or touchscreen reboot. Your car's screen freezes, Bluetooth won't connect, or navigation acts crazy. Most of the time, it just needs a reboot. Check your manual or on-screen settings for factory reset or system reboot, follow the prompts, and the screen restarts fresh. Sometimes the issue isn't the screen, but under your right foot. That's where the next reset brings your engine back to life. Reset number 11, throttle position sensor reset. Press the gas and your car hesitates, or the idle jumps around. Your throttle system is out of sync. Modern cars use electronics instead of cables, and over time, the pedal and throttle lose calibration, causing jerky starts, poor mileage, or stalling. The fix is a simple reset. Turn the key on but don't start. Press the gas smoothly to the floor for 5 seconds, release slowly, and repeat 2 more times. Turn the key off, wait 10 seconds, then start and let the car idle for 3 minutes. This recalibrates the throttle, restoring smooth performance. Pro tip, be smooth and steady. Don't rush the pedal. Reset number 10, transmission shift reset. Ever notice your car hanging on gears or jerking between shifts? Often it's the transmission control module holding old driving data. To reset, turn the key on, but don't start. Foot off the brake, dash lights on. Press the accelerator fully for 15 to 25 seconds, turn the key off, release the pedal, and wait 2 minutes. Start the engine and drive gently for 15 to 20 minutes to relearn smoother shifts. If the engine still feels off, the next reset will help definitely. Reset number 9, mass airflow sensor reset. If your car feels lazy, sips more gas, or stumbles when you hit the pedal, don't blame the engine yet. The mass airflow sensor your car's nose might be sending bad info. Dust, oil, or old data can throw it off. To reset, turn the ignition off, locate the MAF sensor between the air filter and intake, disconnect it for 5 minutes, then reconnect firmly. Start the engine and let it idle 5 to 10 minutes with no AC or radio to give the ECU a clean baseline. Take a smooth test drive to let the system relearn. Pro tip, if it is really dirty, use MAF cleaner spray, but never touch the wire inside. Reset number 8, ABS light reset. That amber ABS light can scare any driver, but it's often not a failing pump, just the computer holding bad data. A weak battery, dirty wheel sensor, or hitting a pothole can trigger it. Instead of paying $120 at a dealer, try a reset yourself. First, pull the ABS fuse for 30 seconds, then reinsert and start the car. Second, with the engine running, turn the wheel fully left, then right, then back to center, restart, and check the light. Third, if you have an OBD2 scanner with ABS support, read and clear the code. Pro tip, check wheel speed sensors. Mud, rust, or loose plugs can trigger the light too. Reset number 7, tire pressure monitoring. Reset. Few lights are as annoying as the tire pressure warning. Cold weather often triggers it, but shops love it because they can reset it in minutes and charge $50. You can do it yourself. First, inflate all tires, including the spare, to the pressure on the door sticker. Second, drive 10 to 15 minutes at 30+ miles per hour. Some cars reset while moving. Third, use the TPMS reset button under the dash or near the steering column. Key on, engine off, hold, until the light blinks 3 times, then start the car. Fourth, on newer cars, use the infotainment or cluster settings to select TPMS, relearn, or calibration. Pro tip, if the light stays on, the sensor might be dead, but this fixes it most of the time. Reset number 6, key fob reprogramming. Nothing's more frustrating than pressing your key fob and nothing happens. Often, the fob just lost sync with the car. Dealers love this because they can reprogram it in minutes for a fee, but you can do it yourself. Sit in the driver's seat, insert the key, and turn it off to on 4 to 8 times, ending in on. You may hear a chime. That means programming mode. Press any button on the fob. The doors may lock and unlock to confirm. And this reset bring back the dead fob, bring to life without a dealer. Reset number 5, check engine light reset. Few things make your stomach drop like a glowing check engine light. Often, it's just the ECU storing a code from a minor hiccup, a loose gas cap, weak battery, or temporary sensor glitch. If the issue is fixed, you don't have to stare at the light. Option 1, disconnect the negative battery cable for 10 to 15 minutes, reconnect, and start the car. Option 2, use a cheap OBD2 scanner, key on, engine off, and erase codes. The light disappears instantly. Pro tip, if it comes back, there's still an active problem. This reset puts you in control, not the mechanic's wallet. Reset number 4, climate control system reset. Your AC blowing hot on one side and cold on the other isn't always a bad part. It often just needs a reset. Quick battery reset, turn off the car, disconnect the negative cable for 10 minutes, reconnect, and start the car. Button combo reset, common on GM, Chrysler, Ford. Ignition on, engine off, hold defrost plus recirculation for 5 to 10 seconds until vents click. Manual cycle reset, full hot 2 minutes, then full cold. Cycle through all vents and fan speeds. Reset number 3, Immobilizer resync. You turn the key and the engine won't start, even though the battery is fine. That's your Immobilizer system losing sync with your key. Use the original key, insert it, turn to on but don't crank, and hold the lock button on the fob for 10 to 15 seconds. This lets the ECU compare the key's chip with its memory. Turn off, wait 30 seconds, then start the car. Reset number 2, blind spot monitoring reset. Blind spot monitoring can freak drivers out when the warning light flashes for no reason. Dealers often suggest expensive sensor replacements, but most of the time it just needs a reset. Park safely with the ignition on, engine off. Locate the blind spot monitoring button on the dash or driver's menu and hold it for 10 to 15 seconds until the indicator blinks or a message confirms the reset. Turn off, restart, and drive above 20 miles per hour for a few minutes so the system recalibrates. Reset number 1, power steering reset. Ever start your car and the steering feels stiff, like you're wrestling a truck? In modern cars, this is usually an electric power steering, EPS, glitch, not a broken pump. Dealers may call it a module issue and charge $700 plus, but most of the time a simple reset fixes it. Turn the ignition on, engine off. Turn the wheel fully left and right 2 times slowly. Start the engine and let it idle 30 seconds. Turn the wheel left to right once more, then center it. This recalibrates the steering angle sensor and resets assist levels. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and share it. Drop a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips to keep your car running longer and smarter.